Perfume Bottle Crimping Machine. Prepare the perfume bottle. Insert the dip tube of the spray pump into the bottle. Gently press the pump so it sits properly on the neck, aligning the collar ring perfectly. Hold the crimping tool vertically. Place the lower metal jaw crimping die over the collar of the spray pump. Ensure the tool is centered so the jaws close evenly. Firmly squeeze the two long handles of the tool together. This causes the inner jaws to press around the pump collar, curling the metal inward and securing it to the bottle neck. Maintain pressure for 2-3 seconds to ensure a strong seal. Slowly release the handles and gently remove the tool. The spray pump should now be tightly crimped with no movement or looseness. Press the pump to ensure smooth spray action. Visually inspect the crimp for even sealing with no gaps or distortion.